Hi, I'm Andrew, and I'm a computational linguist, and I'd love to be Artifact's computational linguist. I've got a master's in linguistics and ancient languages, and 3 years of experience working in the tech industry as a linguist. My current role has been very product focused. I've been taking our product, which is a job description editor, and used NLP to expand our guidance from thousands of possible match phrases to millions. So I use like NLP and token attributes, span attributes all the time. So I'm very used to NLP and linguistics, and I'd love to hear more about Artifact. Would love to have a discussion about the role and my qualifications. Thanks. In January 2018, I started working at igo.ai as an AI psychologist, and my work involved training an AI to distinguish senses of polysemous verbs, so verbs that mean more than one thing. And I used parse trees to do that, to write those syntax rules so the AI could distinguish those senses. I then moved to Appen, where I helped create very large machine learning data sets. And my work currently at TapRecruit involves managing TapRecruit's job description editor. I've taken a system of thousands of rules, guidance rules, to millions of possible guidance rules. And I also build internal linguistics tools, Chrome extensions, and corpus query tools. I think I'd be a good fit for Artifact because I've been working remotely as a linguist for startups for the last 3 years. I understand what startup culture is and what startup life is as well, and what it means to join a startup, sort of the ambiguity that you take on when you join a startup. I'm very used to sort of defining my own roles and wearing many hats as a startup employee. Yeah, I use NLP libraries on a daily basis, including Spacey, Stanza, NLTK, OpenNLP, and I'm also used to running other NLP systems and language models, including Hugging Face and Transformer based models, as well as other NLP tasks like grammatical error correction, lexical simplification, and neural coreference. At my current role, I built a linguist app that helps provide parse trees as well as give a corpus query system. It helps you create the corpuses and then query those using NLP attributes, both token attributes and span attributes. Hey there, I'm Andrew, and I'm a computational linguist. I have a master's in linguistics and ancient languages, and for the last several years I've been working in the tech industry as a linguist. Currently I work at a company called TapRecruit, and we look at job descriptions and try to make them more fair. And my role involves managing the guidance that we provide on our editor. And most recently I started my own company called Redefine, which is a product that simplifies language across the internet using NLP and linguistics. I'm really excited about linguistics and building products that utilize NLP and machine learning to improve people's lives. I began my career as a linguist in the tech industry as an AI psychologist at igo.ai. My work involved training an AI different syntax patterns and natural language patterns. I then moved to Appen, which is a company that creates large machine learning data sets. And my work involved managing about 100 linguists to create a large transcription project. And then I moved to, February 2019, I moved to TapRecruit, and I manage TapRecruit's job description guidance. We look at job descriptions and try to make them more fair using NLP and linguistics. And most recently, I built my own company called Redefine. Redefine is a browser extension that simplifies language across the internet.